Hey guys, I know it's been quite a while, but school recently started back up, so I've been pretty busy with that. And I just got a new idea for a video that's been done probably way too many times before. We're ranking every single MCU movie. I don't know if this is every single one, but it should be. Nope, I do not want to grab this. So we're going with chronological order, which means we have to start off with Iron Man. This one, here, I'm just putting that there to bring back up. I liked it when I first saw it. I think it deserves to go in a solid entry. Don't give me hate. I think it is a middle of the road movie. Next, okay, Hulk is on here. Is it just Iron Man 2 after this? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. Wait, let me look this up. Okay, I was right. So next is, where is it? Iron Man 2. This one, I seriously need to rewatch some of these. From what I remember, I did not like this one, but it was also another solid entry. Is Thor next, I think? Thor was, that one was okay. It wasn't great. I didn't like it more than Iron Man. I don't think it has Hulk listed on here. That's why it's not there. Then, I think it's Captain America. First Avenger. This one I really liked. I really liked that movie. When I saw it. And yeah, I think now we're at Avengers. Let's see. Avengers here. Put in front of a Captain America. I'm trying to find the full release order of these. You know, we'll just start going by ones that I recognize, and I think I'd really like to do. Iron Man 3. That one goes here. Behind Thor. Now I think about it, Iron Man 2, because it's the end of Amazing, because it had Justin Hammer. That one reason bumps it up. Okay, I'm going to immediately jump to one of my favorite ones. That was Ant-Man. That one goes in unforgettably outstanding to me. But since before we already done the Avengers movie, let's do this first sequel. Are you guys excited for the Krang Dynasty and Secret Wars in the next few years? I know I am. Age of Ultron, I don't remember being good. The only good memory I have watching that movie was getting, one of my first Lego sets from it that had, a jumping gimmick. I'll try to find it and put a picture in it. This one should go in the back of A. Or not the back of A. Back of A. Captain America the Winter Soldier. This one, people always say it's better than the first one. I personally don't remember a lot from this movie. I'll have to rewatch that one, but just for now, we'll put it in front of that. Let's go with Thor the Dark World. Moving on. Let's do Doctor Strange. I really liked it. It was another solid entry into the MCU. Wait, I might move some stuff around. I'm gonna move Captain America the First Avenger to solid entry. Let's do What If. I'm actually gonna... Wait, what? Wait, no. You go back there. I'm gonna add a row of haven't seen. Some of these I actually haven't seen. No, go back there. My list is falling apart. Haven't seen. Will be this new list. And besides, What If, I don't think there's anything else in that category. Nope, yeah, I've seen everything else. Ant-Man and the Wasp. A lot of people don't like this one. I really liked it. But I also really liked Ant-Man at the time, so I was excited for the sequel. Put that after Iron Man 3 before Age of Ultron. I'll just go straight up with this next. I'm saving a certain trilogy of movies till the very end. And Infinity War, top of amazing. Like, very top of amazing. Because Endgame goes in outstanding. Amazing movie. Next we have Black Panther. I'll put that in solid entry. Remember I watched it on my aunt's TV with my mom once. In like 3rd grade. Looks like next is Black Widow. I honestly didn't like it. I wouldn't say it was boring. It's just, I didn't love it very much. Let's do a show. I'm gonna do WandaVision. I really liked it. Yeah, it was personally one of my favorite shows that they made. No, Civil War goes up there. Introduction of Spider-Man. The fight at the airport was amazing. Oh my god, I could probably have an entire, 10-paragraph essay on how much I loved in Civil War. Next, Captain Marvel. Yeah. No, I'm just gonna leave it. Next, Eternals. Put that in, it was okay. I liked it much more than many other people do. Next was Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Now, I've liked all of the shows. Yes, that includes Miss Marvel, which not a lot of people liked, which I thought was weird. Falcon and Winter Soldier was my personal least favorite out of the shows. So it will go here. I am excited to see Sam as Captain America in the new movies. I didn't like it as much as the other shows. I don't know why. I don't know what it was. Ooh, the Guardian movies are next to each other. Okay. Guardians 1. Actually, both volumes. They're, right up there. Next was Hawkeye. Got better at the end. I liked the Yelena parts. And put that behind Doctor Strange 1. Next, we'll do Miss Marvel. I really liked it. I think it was back of amazing. Ooh, our list has gone down. Have we missed something? I feel like we've missed a movie. Moon Knight. Personally, really liked it. That will go above WandaVision. Yeah, I don't really think there's a specific really bad MCU thing, except for Thor Dark World. I did not like that movie. It just got really boring. Next, we got Shang-Chi. I'm going to put that up with very top of amazing. loved that movie. Well, we've done all the other Thor movies. Thor Ragnarok, you go up there. Oh, so I have not seen Love and Thunder yet. So that's why it is not on the list. Have not seen Love and Thunder. I probably should see it. It came on Disney Plus. I just haven't seen it yet. It'll probably be good. Next, we'll do Doctor Strange. The one where Matt Pat said Mephisto would be in it. I liked it. Probably here. No, I'll put it in solid entry. I'm probably going to have to move some stuff down to solid entry. Like Avengers, that can get a solid entry. There we go. Now we have Loki. So hyped for season 2 of Loki to come out. There. Okay, so I did say I was saving some movies for last, and as you can clearly see, they're the 3 Spider-Man movies. Starting off with Homecoming. I've started to dislike it more and more the more times I watch it. It used to be my favorite movie of all time, because there was a point where I couldn't see any Marvel movies, and this was the only one I could watch, so, like, I loved it, because it had, like, Iron Man and Spider-Man. I didn't know Spider-Man was in Civil War. I didn't even know Civil War existed, to be completely honest. And I'm gonna put Homecoming top of amazing. Far From Home. S. No. We're gonna switch. Homecoming, solid entry. Far From Home, amazing. Spider-Man Far From Home. A movie has never set me crying home in tears in such a good way. Instant H. Actually, no. I'm going to go all the way up. Put that top of S tier. And now I'm going to reorganize everything. How I feel about them. Yeah. That looks... Yeah. This is my official ranking of the MCU movies. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to hear your rants in the comments about how Shang-Chi was trash. It deserves to go. No, it wasn't. It was great. I went to see it with my brother. It was awesome. Well, with this, I will see you guys next time in like a year, because I don't upload often. See ya.